Hi guys, it's Jordan here from NSM of Land and welcome back to my channel. A long time ago I bought a stock Subaru Forester spoiler for the daily fuzz, but I never touched it. In the meantime I did the mud flaps, I blacked out everything, I put the turbo front grille to give the daily fuzz some kind of rally look. And I think this spoiler will help a lot. So I think it's finally time to put that on. Of course, I started with a test fit to see how it will look, but the spoiler needed some work. First, I used some bondo to cover all the small impacts of the spoiler because obviously I didn't buy it brand new. Then it was time to sand it down, from big grain to smaller grain for a good finish. For the paint, I found a matching rattle can on Amazon from the brand Tristar. The color of the daily fuzz is 8G6 Royal Silver Metallic. The kit comes with a can of paint and a can of clear coat. I will leave the link in the description if you're interested. I'm not gonna lie, the way the spoiler was sitting wasn't really stable. It was a disaster waiting to happen. First layer, second layer, it was looking nice, but then the disaster really happened. Fucking want to die.
Here's what happened. Just fall on the ground with fresh paint, obviously.
And I have to redo basically every fucking thing. I have to sand it back, I have to paint it back. I had only one can to paint, so I'll have to buy another one. I'm really annoyed on this one. Really annoyed. Fuck this. Alright, so today is another day and we are back at the backyard to repaint the rear spoiler for the daily fuzz. So I hate this, have to resand, redegrease after a paint. I like it when it's, one-shot thing, but hey, things happened, he fell on the floor and I have to redo pretty much everything. But I think there is a good thing coming out of this, is that I had to buy another can of paint because just one can was a bit short for 2 layers on the spoiler. So we're gonna have a better coverage with another can of paint, and this time I'm gonna try something else to hang the spoiler from this. I don't know if you can see it up there, like they do in paint station, like professional stuff. And most of the time I do this when I paint stuff, but last time I didn't want to bother and I had bad results. So this time I'm gonna do it correctly. Hopefully it's gonna be better. So I put screws on each side to hang it on top. Here we go. Second layer of clear coat, which is gonna be the last layer I'm gonna put on the spoiler. So far, so good. Okay, so the wing is fully dry and it's now time to install it. At first, I just wanted to fix it, glue it with this, the SF5 but I really wasn't sure about the drying time of this, because I'm gonna install it, wait a few hours and leave, so drive the car. So what I'm gonna do is to use the studs that came with the wing, and the only difficult part is to drill at the right place.
But as you're gonna see, it wasn't that complicated to create an homemade template to have the holes on the perfect position. I just needed some paper, tape and a Sharpie. I realized that the studs didn't go through the trunk, so I couldn't bolt them on the other side. But they still helped the spoiler to hang by itself and to stay at the right position. It didn't stick right away, so I had to hold this position for quite a while. After a moment, I realized that if the trunk was open, the position was perfect for the glue to dry because it used the spoiler own weight to create some pressure.
Okay, so it's been drying for 2 hours. Should hold. So it's now installed and still in place after a few weeks. Look at this. So honestly, I'm pretty happy with the results. It really finished the back of the daily fuzz, and once again give him like a sporty rally look. I love it. The gray is almost the same as the Daily Force gray, maybe just slightly darker, but you know, for a rattle can, fair enough. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. I hope if you want to install it by yourself, it will help you do it and pull the trigger, because it's not that complicated. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.